Hey there my friends, Mark here once again with ER Pro. Today what I'm going to be showing you is many of you have asked me what theme I use in WordPress, and that is I use syndicated blogs, just purely because of what I've got to like over the time is ease of navigation, easy setup, quick, simple, and it works really smoothly for me. It's just nice that you don't need to know all the fancy code and everything. It's just very, very user-friendly, just plug and play, and you have many options of whether it be colors and background and settings, etc., etc. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new, already got a domain. I've already preset it like in the previous videos, and I'm going to show you how I build the entire site in step-by-step order. The first thing you want to do is go into your WordPress, log in, and let's see. Okay, right now there's nothing being going on here, so let's just go quickly look at what the current theme is. It's obviously what comes free. It's just got the title there and just the standard generic theme, which is a free that comes with it. So we're going to obviously change everything, build it up slowly but surely. All right, and okay, now the first thing we want to do is obviously we want to load the new actual theme, the syndicated theme. So the first thing you want to do is come down to Appearance, to where it says Themes. Click on Themes, and what you want to do over here, you have a selection. You can choose another type of theme, but we are going to install a new theme, and that is going to be under we're going to upload it. I have saved it onto my desktop, so I'm going to browse my desktop up here, scroll down. It's called Syndicated Blogs, and there it is. Double click on that, guys. Just remember, always upload the entire zip file. Do not break the zip file on your desktop or wherever you've saved it to. Do not open it up. You need to install. It tells you over here the zip folder may be installed here. Install. It'll take a few seconds just to install that real quick, and let's just wait for that to install. Sometimes it can take 5 minutes, 6 minutes, or sometimes it can go in 30 seconds. It just depends. Okay, it's loaded up. All right. You have a choice. You can go preview it. I'm not going to worry about it because we're going to activate it. First thing you do, you want to hit activate. It'll tell you, there we go. So there's your new theme that's in there, and that one is active. So what I can do here is I can just go to the other tab. Let me just refresh, and there we go. It's in. So this is the theme. This is obviously the default theme, which we are going to change. I'm going to show you how to do backgrounds, page layout, tabs, and all that type of stuff, even adding all your social media buttons, etc., etc. So the first thing that I always encourage people to do is to come down to your settings and come down to where it says permalinks. You want to open up permalinks. All right, it's under common settings. It's set at default. What I like to do is I go to custom structure, and there's a code that a lot of guys are using. It's called percentage post name percentage. I'm not going to get into all the fancy coding right now, but I'll briefly explain what it does. If I went over here, and I'm just going to copy this last bit of code quickly so I can quickly as possibly show you what it means. Whenever you've got a web page or whatever, for instance, like on my page here, it doesn't matter which one it is. We could say this one here, for instance. On the actual end of the URL on that specific page up here, if you look at the back here, you see how it says how-it-works. Well, those are like what the spiders, the Google crawlers, and the search engines are looking for. These are keywords, okay? So it's picking up from your title. So if you just went and took this right now, and we went into Google, this one right over here, and we went into Google and just typed that in, let's see, just enter it. All these different sites come up, but it's not relevant. It means nothing. There's just a lot of guys that have their own WordPress. They can't understand why they don't get traffic, why no one's seeing it. It's because they've left it at default, and the spiders aren't looking for this. Nobody knows about percentage p equals 1, 2, 3. So if you put post name in, it's going to be more relevant so that your domain name will show, and at the end of it will have whether it be your name, whether it be that post play page, whatever it is. So the first thing, guys, put that in. Once that's done, save changes. It's all saved, it's in. Alright, I can close that out. Alright, the next thing that we're going to do on the next video, I'm going to show you how to do your back. Go into the back, which is over here, under your appearance. We're going to go into the theme options, which we're going to click on theme options, and you're going to have a panel that looks like this. So this is where we're going to start off with. Alright, I'll get you on the next video.